3, 2, 1, jump!
Hello, Tick.
Hi, Tack.
Hi, kids.
Hi, Anne Mary.
Well, kids, I have a question for you.
What's that?
The question is, does hot water freeze faster than cold water?
Yes.
Never.
No.
Yes. My answer
it's
is right.
mine. Kids, stop the argument. I'll explain.
Oh no, it started raining.
Hurry, kids. Let's go home.
Oh, that was a quick escape.
Let's continue our discussion.
Yes.
Hot water can, in fact, freeze faster than cold water for a wide range of experimental conditions.
Yay, I was right.
Anyways, it is surprising even to most scientists. It has been seen and studied in numerous experiments. But observations over thousands of years as well as countless modern experiments have shown that the opposite is true. Under carefully controlled conditions, hot water at times seems to freeze faster than cold water. Kids, let me sit and explain you further.
Okay.
This phenomenon of hot water freezing faster than cold water is known as Mpemba effect. It was named after Erasto Mpemba, a Tanzanian student who in 1963 was making ice cream as part of a school project.
Oh, it's interesting.
In Mpemba's school project, the students had to boil a mixture of cream and sugar and make it cool down and then put it in the freezer. Mpemba instead put his mixture in while it was still very hot. But after 1.5 hours, his mixture had frozen while his classmates' mixtures had not.
How did that happen?
It's all because of Mpemba effect. These observations date all the way to Aristotle in the 4th century BCE, who observed that hot water cools sooner than cold water during his experiments.
Wait a minute. Who is Aristotle?
I know. He was a Greek philosopher.
Oh, I see.
Aunt Mary, how is it scientifically possible?
The science behind it is not sure. Maybe it's because the hot water loses more water molecules due to evaporation, or because there are more dissolved gases in cold water than in warm water, which might play a role in cooling rates.
It's slightly complicated.
Yeah, it is. So kids, that was about it.
That was an amazing fact.
Thank you, Aunt Mary.
It's time for me to leave. Bye kids.
Bye.